up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wasn't going to film today because I wasn't going to film today because I started my period and my stomach hurts. But I really need to clean out my closet because I have so many clothes. I've gotten so many clothes for Christmas and I'm still getting just clothes coming in. And I just need to declutter. There are clothes that I've been holding on to for a couple of years now, and there's clothes that I just don't even wear anymore, especially tops. And so that's what I'm doing today. We're decluttering today. Even the New Year's next week. New Year's start is on next Wednesday, and it is time for new things. It is time for just everything new. Just time. I have literally no room in my closet, and you're going to see that in a minute. And so, I need more hangers, so I'm just ready to just get this going. So, if you guys want to watch me clean out my closet, continue watching this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias, which is at JaylahMarshae on Instagram and _JaylahMarshae on Twitter. And, yeah, let's get this started. So this is my side of the closet. This is my closet, well, my side of it. And this is what it looks like right now. It's just so many clothes that I don't even wear. I wear some stuff that's down here, but it's mostly these tops that I don't wear. I haven't worn this in years. Just so much stuff that I don't even wear, and some of the stuff is new, and I just feel like if I just clean out my old stuff, and I'll wear my new stuff more. And then over here that's the trash bag, and over here is just leggings and stuff like that. And I'm gonna go through that stuff, and I'm gonna go through that stuff as well. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first thing what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna take everything off the hanger and just see what I want to do. I'm just literally just gonna take some stuff. I'm literally going to take some stuff that I don't even wear off the hanger. Some stuff I am selling on my Poshmark. If you don't know what Poshmark is an app where you can sell, and you can also buy stuff for really cheap. And yeah, so we're about to get started. So I will link my Poshmark down below in the description box, and let's get started with the video. Well, not the video. Let's get started with the time lapse. Okay, so I did get rid of some stuff. It still looks the same. I just put my new clothes that I got for Christmas in here, and I did get rid of a lot of clothes. And then now I'm about to show you. Sorry, the lighting is horrible. I started filming late. These are all the clothes that I'm selling. All the clothes that I'm selling on my Poshmark, and then I'm about to go in my little trunk and get some clothes out of there, and I'll be back. Okay, so I stopped recording yesterday. I just got tired and wasn't feeling good because I'm on my period. So today I am finishing up everything. I have everything in that bag. This is literally everything that I am selling. Like I said yesterday, I'm putting everything on my Poshmark that I will link in the description box below. And I'm just trying to find a good angle, but yeah, excuse my hair. I just shampooed my hair and it's dry. I'm letting it air dry right now, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I'm selling, and if you guys are interested, like I said, it will be linked in the description box below. It will be on my Poshmark, and yeah, about to show you guys my outfits. So these are just some of the things that I'm selling on my Poshmark. I'm selling that floral bodysuit, is very sheer and nude, and I'm selling this red halter top kind of, and I'm selling this off the shoulder white top because that's too big for me a little bit around the boobage area. And so I'm going to be putting these on my Poshmark. My Goodwill bag is out there. And, okay. Okay. So, this is pretty much the end of the video. I forgot to end it. I was editing the video and I forgot to end it. So, hi. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video is kind of short, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social medias, which is JaylahMarshae on Instagram and @_JaylahMarshae on Twitter. And I love you guys, and I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, so I'll see you soon. Bye. Deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it.